Before you wash your hair, stop. If you are detangled after shampoo, you are already lost hair. Today, I'm using flaxseed gel to detangle princess hair before washing. And this one step can save your length, reduce hair breaking, and keep your hair healthy, soft, and strong. Flaxseed gel is not just a slippery, it's strengthening, moisturizing, and protecting hair before water even touch it. If you are struggling with knockings, dryness, breaking, shedding, stay with me. This simple routine can completely change your hair wash day. Hello my beautiful family, welcome back to Queenpagdede channel. Today I'm showing how I use flaxseed to detangle princess hair before washing and why this step is very important for healthy hair growing. Many people wait until after shampoo to detangle, but that is when hair is weak. Today, I will explain the benefit of flaxseed gel and benefits of detangle before washing, especially for natural hair and children's hair. So stay tuned with me. Before you do that, always make sure to section your hair when you open your hair. I know after you open, definitely you are using water or aloe vera herbs or something else to hydrate your hair before you open it. So after opening it, when your hair is dry, try to make your hair section. As you guys can see, I make my little girl hair section. From the section, you have to get a water of the spray bottle or aloe vera herbs to spray, make the hair a little bit damp before you apply your ingredients. Hair is most fragile when it is dry, so it's very important for you to detangle your hair before you wash it, especially our children. Most children are they don't want parents to put their mothers to put their hands into their hair. Me myself, I'm an adult, I'm also like that. I don't want not to. If I don't detangle my hair, I don't feel like washing, because if I wash it, I always feel pain. So it's the same thing to the children. Just imagine you the adult, if you don't detangle your hair first, when you are washing it, the pain that you are causing to yourself, the thinning edges, your hair slow growing, your hair breaking, you are causing to yourself. Imagine the child when you are going to do the same thing, to apply the same thing to your child. And the children's scalp are very delicate. It's not like strong like an adult scalp, right? So you need to be patient with the children, extra care when you are going to detangle their hair or when you are going to wash it. That is why detangling your hair first before washing is very important. I know most people are doing mistake, because most people always wash their hair before they come and sit down to detangle their hair. That's not the result, because the result is what can you do to protect your hair not to break, not to share. That is what you are looking for, right? You are not looking for something that you will break and finish after you come and sit down to be doing. So this steps is very, very important when you open your protectable style. So my people, please stay tuned with me. If you are someone who is not detangling your hair before washing, from this video, when you watch this video, please start detangling your hair in the right way, in the good way, because detangling your hair also, is pulling. You have to know how to detangle your hair with your finger before you use comb, or you can use professional fingers without comb, or you can use only your comb without your fingers. But I prefer to use finger before I use my comb. Well, flaxseed gel came from boiling flaxseed in water. It creates a natural gel rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, natural medicines that can do what? Support your hair to grow, to maintain your hair length, to maintain your edges, your thinning edges, to grow your hair stronger. This gel, is just a medicine for your hair, and not for only the hair, also for the body. Also, you can drink or eat flaxseed. It's very, very important. Hair natural is moisturizing, it's giving sleeping without chemicals. This thing, there's not any chemicals, it's just a natural thing that I'm using to make it. And after putting your before you put your flaxseed, always make sure to damp your hair a little bit. If you have water spray bottle, just put your water inside your spray bottle and start to spray your hair. Or you can also boil the natural ingredients, turn it to be aloe vera herbs, or natural ingredient spray, leave-in spray. Use that one also to spray into your hair. But as you follow me long, you understand that I am someone who loves hibiscus, right? So I always prepare my leave-in spray as hibiscus tea I'm using, and maybe sometimes I can add lavender, rosemary, or cloves. Okay, but for my child now, because of her scalp, I always prefer to use hibiscus and lavender to make my hair tea or my leave-in spray. Flaxseed, let's check and see the benefits of flaxseed. Flaxseed is giving amazing slippery for easy detangling when you are going to detangle your hair. It's reducing hair breaking and shedding. If you have shedding hair, or your hair is breaking, and you use flaxseed to detangle your hair first, all these things with time, you are going to out of it, because this thing you may not notice it, or you will not get it again. It's moisturizing dry hair, it's defending curls naturally, it's strengthening weak strands, it's smoothing a dry and irritation scalp. It's safe for children. Also, flaxseed is very safe for children and adults. This is light, it's just a light thing that you will use to nourish your scalp or nourish your hair. Make it a perfect before wash your hair. This thing, when you are using it, to make your hair very perfect before you do what? Before you wash your hair. So I prefer to do this before wash my daughter hair, because I don't want to cause the drama while I'm washing her hair. Detangling before washing is going to prevent from the knock. When you have knockings, when I say knock, like the blockage, the build up, all this thing is going to melt before you put your hair into the water. It's going to prevent it from shedding, also reducing hair losing during your shampoo. While you are going to shampoo your hair, when you detangle your hair, all this is going to do what? It's going to reduce it. It's going to help you to not get shedding or breaking during your hair washing. Okay, it will keep your hair very manageability, because flaxseed is something that is slippery, so it keep your hair manageable and protect your hair length over time when you are using it. This step alone can even help hair length retention. You know that, because while you are doing that, your hair was on the protective side. You open your hair, but you do not go direct to put shampoo into your hair. You detangle your hair with your fingers, as you guys can see. I use my finger to separate everything before, but definitely I'm using comb also. I'm not using only professional fingers alone. I use fingers, I use comb at the same time. But before I use the comb, I will make sure to use my finger to detangle her hair very well, or detangle my hair very well. That step alone, it will help my her hair length retention to grow, especially for the princess hair. Is very it's something that I put extra care for that, and I know that's what you also want, right? So how you use it, flaxseed, this is the way that you can use it, and it's easy. Maybe when you say, how can you boil the flaxseed is very easy to boil your flaxseed. Never joke with flaxseed when it's come for the boiling. Boiling immediately when you boil your flaxseed. I'll have the video. I will definitely going to post that video also here, so that if you don't know how to boil the flaxseed, I even have some similar flaxseed gels videos. You can check my channel and see how you can learn how to boil your flaxseed, because there are so many people messing up when they boil their flaxseed. When it's come for strengthening their flaxseed, they are messing up everywhere, whether their table or their kitchen. Everywhere when you see it, is going to mess up. So you don't want it that way, and I don't want that thing to happen to you. So I want you to do it in the professional way, in the good way, that it will help you, so that you will not struggle inside your kitchen, mess every place to cleaning it, you start suffering again. So I apply it, I'm applying, as you guys can see, I'm applying my flaxseed gel to direct the dry hair, but definitely you have to damp it when you open your hair. Make sure to make your hair section by section while you are going to apply it. And also try to make sure that if the hair is dry after you open it, you notice that your hair is not damp again, it's dry, try to use your aloe vera or your water. Try to use your water to damp your hair small before apply this hair detangling gel or detangle product. Put it inside your hair. Detangling product, you can use flaxseed. You can buy the flaxseed from the market and make it by yourself. You can also get something that which is better or good. You think that it's also having some slippery or it's having slippery, yeah, it's having something that you can detangle the hair very good. You can buy it from the market also. It's good, because who knows, maybe future we also will have our own product for selling. So I'm not going to tell you shouldn't buy something from the market, but when you buy, always try to read what is inside the paper, so that follow the strategy. Is it strategy? Oh wow, follow what okay, anyway, the English is gone here. So follow what they write inside the paper, right? Follow that thing and do your hair. Don't do out of your knowledge, okay? What they said inside the paper when you are going to detangle your hair, do this, do that before you do it. Follow that thing and do it, because if you don't do it, you are going to use your own knowledge and do it. You can do that and pull your hair and damage your hair. Or while you are watching a videos like our video, how I do my princess hair own. That type of video also can help you if you don't want to read, for you to have some knowledge. Oh, okay, before I detangle my daughter hair, this is what I have to do. Or before I detangle my hair, this is what I have to do before I detangle my hair. For detangling her hair, it doesn't matter whether you are a child or you are an adult. You are applying it to a children, or you are applying to yourself. In the same way that you the adult also, you also going to apply to your hair. My girl is going, anytime this girl, she started something, when I just put my hand into her hair, princess is going off. So that's our problem now. Anyway, that's by the way, but I'm just going to leave her there and continue. We almost finished everything. And also don't go far away. I will still, after she sleep and get up, I will wash her and I will bring the hair back here to show it to you guys, for you guys to see how it's going to look. Okay, I will show it to you guys in this video. So at the end of the video, you will see everything. So please don't go far away. And also please, healthy hair starting before shampoo. Okay, if your hair, you detangle your hair with flaxseed gel, it's going to protect the hair and also save the time, and also keep your hair, or as you guys can say, princess hair is strong. And I'm happy if I can get some less breaking from her hair. It's making me much more happier, because when your hair starts to getting breaking, that's the time you are losing hair. But when you are doing this and you notice that the hair is not breaking, it's not shedding, you are going to be happy, because you know how you understand your body, the body language of your children hair. You know what your children hair wants, you know what your hair wants, so you can protect your hair from breaking or shedding. And that's the time that you will notice your hair growing. But while your hair is breaking, shedding, up and down, that time you can never see your hair growing. You will see the hair growing, but at the end of the day, after washing your hair, you are going to lose everything. Please, if you watch it up to this point and you really love what I'm doing, you love natural hair things, you love what I'm doing, you love what you are seeing, please give me thumbs up. That's liking, it will help me. That's the little support. By liking it, it will let YouTube also to push the video to more people, more mothers out there also looking for a way to grow their children hair, natural hair, so that they also will know what they can apply to their children hair, or how they can do to manage it when the hair is in the natural hair. Because we have so many children, they have natural hair, but their parents doesn't know how to manage it. That is the problem. They are putting relaxer, which is not good. Now I put my princess to sleep. So guys, after she slept and she wake up, I took her to the washroom. I wash her hair. Now, as you guys can see, I'm going to divide it into 3 portions, because After you wash it, it's not going to end there. Don't leave the hair open like that, okay? After you finish washing your child hair, no matter what, don't leave the hair like this, because you know children, after you leave your hair like this, the child will start putting the hand inside the hair, putting things inside her hair again. But when you make it this way, it will make it much more clear. Anything that she put inside, you know the place that she put inside, whether you can use towel, to use water and clean it, or you can quickly just wash that part off without wasting time again. So please, when you finish it, if you want your child hair to grow long, thicker, fuller, and maintain the length with the neat scalp, always try to protect the hair after washing it, after whatever that you do. Before you make the protective style, make sure to protect the hair. Make it 3 portion, 4 portion, 5 portion, 6 portion. Make it tight, make it twist, because sometimes my twist is not strong like that. Sometimes I can make the twist and it's open again, but no problem, just do it and get some tie it again, so that it will not open, so that anytime when you are ready to do the hair is ready, you just open it, maybe hydrate it again, because by the time you are going to do it, let's say I do it today, by tomorrow I know the hair is going to dry. So before I will do it again, especially low porosity hair children, their hair is very hard to maintain the moisturizer. So before I will do things again, I have to moisturize her hair again, I have to hydrate her hair again before I can do anything to her hair again. Thank you very much for watching. Please, as I told you guys earlier, if you love natural things and you love what I'm doing, please help me by liking, sharing it with others, sharing it with mothers, sharing it with those who love natural hair, share it with those who want to grow their natural hair, to maintain their natural hair long and healthy. As you guys can say, I cannot say too much, because for now it's better, it's good, because how old is Princess? Maybe you may wonder, how old is she? She's 2.5 years now. She's 2 years 8 months now, so she's getting to 3 years and she having this long hair. It's okay for me, for now I can be managing it, and it's easier for me to manage it, and it's not bad. It's not something like I will say, oh, she doesn't have hair. No, she have hair. The hair is enough for me for now, for me to be managing doing things. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share for me, and come back. I will definitely going to post my flaxseed gel when I boil it, and also I will definitely going to show you guys the flaxseed gel, also the hair mask. Also I'm going to do it, because we haven't finished. Before I make her hair protectable style, I have to make sure that I make a hair mask also for her before we do the protectable style again. So please come back. When I say Princess, look at how she's looking at you people. Okay, we love you guys. Okay, thank you very much. If you really enjoy it, I remind you, please give me subscribe, like, and share for me. This channel is all about how we can do to protect our hair naturally, to grow our hair and stop using chemical things. That's my thing that I'm always talking here. I want us to stop using chemical things to our children hair. It has damaged my hair. Chemicals, creams has damaged my hair. I learned it in the hard way. I don't want to put chemicals cream to my daughter hair, and I want you also, if you are doing it, please stop doing it and start doing natural. Princess is saying bye bye. We love you all. Bye.